everybody.
Hey.
Hi.
Welcome back to the channel. We just had our live tonight. It's Friday night, and what an amazing live it was. We always love the opportunity to hang out with you guys and chat, catch up with everything.
Yeah.
But we wanted to bring you another episode of a mail call.
Woohoo! It's been a minute since we had a mail call.
Yep.
Yeah.
You excited, Jacob? We do have about 5 or 6 packages that we're going to open up. And we're going to start with the littlest one.
6.
Talon didn't want to join for mail call.
Yep, I did ask Talon if he wanted to come out and join us, and he said he didn't want to. So this one is from somebody who does not want to shout out, and this is for Lyssa and Serenity.
Do it.
Kind of moved too much.
Oh, look, you pulled out your bag.
It says Serenity on it.
Oh, thank you.
Let me see.
Some pretty jewelry.
Ooh, that's cool.
Let's see what mine is. Tell me
Ooh,
what it is.
it's a pretty one.
That's cool, huh?
Bracelets.
What are these?
It's a necklace.
It's a
Ooh,
Mommy,
that's pretty.
Mommy, you know your necklace? What?
Oh, that's cool stuff.
It is. Very nice. Look, Mom, you got some bracelets too.
Mommy.
Ooh.
Yo, I'm gonna wear some of this. I like this one.
Show you guys some of the stuff Serenity got.
What's this? Oh, it's cute.
This is pretty cool.
This
Look at
one's
this
so
piece.
cute.
That's beautiful.
It's like a beach one.
Oh, yep. It's got like starfish.
What is this?
Ooh, this is nice.
This is the.
This is really nice.
This is a.
Earring.
This is a pendant.
Oh, that's nice. My lip itches.
I got it. You got a ring. You got a cute little flower ring.
These are gorgeous.
I got a flower ring.
These are really nice.
I
Yeah.
got a flower ring. Let's see if it fits.
I wonder if they make this jewelry.
It looks like they do.
Beautiful, guys.
Oh wait, the necklace. I just put the
You
pendant.
guys can see it.
Here you go.
I'm actually gonna wear one of them.
That's really nice. I like that too.
Even some really pretty earrings and stuff.
You got, cause you use ears, Mommy. Know why?
So did you like all that stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna put it down here and we'll pick it back up in a minute.
Thank you, guys. Love it.
Thank you.
Alright. I think this one is just for Serenity. This one is just for Serenity. Rip it open.
Barbie clothes. What is that big?
Here, let me show. It says, dream big.
Dream big.
Oh, there's a note in there. Oh, kind of like.
Could do the drinking dinner, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a note? What's it say?
A gift for you. Enjoy your gift.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Here, we'll put this over here.
Now you're a Barbie.
Okay. We got 4 more. This is from our friend the Hardeseas. Right? Yeah, Hardeseas. Okay, I'm gonna need some scissors. This joker here is wrapped up.
Back to who?
It says to Michaelandlyssa Smith. Maybe. Oh, I forgot a side. Oh, I see what something is.
Get some gold. It's extra, extra
So this says Lyssa.
What did you get?
Oh, thank you. That's cool.
cute.
It's like a mat for like.
Oh,
grass
doing
and
gardening.
stuff and gardening,
You see?
and that's pretty cool.
It says only Suki. Focus on quality and innovation. Well, that's pretty neat, guys.
That's really cool. Thank you.
A repot mat.
Oh, repot.
It's called a repot mat.
Ah, that's cool. Thanks.
And this is also for Lyssa.
Oh.
Oh. Toothbrush holders?
Does it say on there? Open it up. Check it out.
If it is toothbrush, we're all cooked.
I know it's a garden tools.
Ah, oh, to scoop for dirt. Maybe for repotting.
I like it. I like it. Thank you.
Another one for mommy.
Also for Alyssa. Here, you got it? I know what it is.
I know what it is. That's cool. That's cool.
One size.
Daddy, that's cool. I saw it.
You know what it is? Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, that's so cute.
Gnomes.
Look.
Nose, look.
It says, get a new surprise design every month. You can get, and they'll send you different gnomes every month.
That's awesome.
I like the puppy nose.
Yep. And you can paint them and do them different colors.
Look, guys. That's cute.
I love that.
It's like a tiny one. That's cute. That's you and Daddy. That's you and Daddy.
That's
If
me and
Daddy
Daddy.
was- If Daddy was like this, that would be Daddy.
And this is for the family, actually. Jacob, check that out.
Change it up.
Yep, look at the back. You can spell different stuff on it and turn it on and the light will come on and stuff. Yep, I used to have one of these. Check it out, guys. Color changing cinema box.
Oh, that's cool. Like you can
You can-
flip different words.
Yep, you can put different words in it and it's different
Change the
colors.
color.
That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
I know what I'm gonna spell.
And this says it's for me.
Kind of looks like something that we got before.
Ooh, it looks like a box. I don't think it's a cup.
That's cute.
I love it.
Squirrel.
It's a solar light.
Oh, that's awesome.
The solar light for the squirrel, guys. Oh, that's so awesome. Squirrel.
What do you have these earrings?
That's like an acorn. It's an acorn, but that's the light.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, there it is.
See, look, guys. When you cover up the solar light part,
That is super cute.
Also, like you're supposed to
that's
put
so
something on
awesome.
it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I'm not gonna lie. I did not know what these were. I thought it was like for like a toothbrush holder or something.
Yeah, definitely.
But I can see what it is now. Read package.
Oh, this is kind of cool.
It was like the sand square.
Yep, this is the stake. It goes in here, and then we can put it in the ground. Yep, we'll put this
Oh,
over by
Daddy,
Alyssa's
and I
sitting
think- I
area.
think you're supposed to put something
Nope,
on.
that's where the sun charges the light, and when it gets dark, it comes on.
We should put that. We should put that in the sleeve.
That's so nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, next up, says Drifting Dreamers 5.
So it's for all
Scissors?
of us. Hey, that means it's for all of us.
All right, Jacob, what we got right here?
I see something. It's for all of us.
Oh, that's another birthday present for
That's
Serenity.
Oh, it's a closet in my favorite color. It comes with a Barbie too. That's cute. I like it. I'm gonna open it once. I know this.
I bet we sent the Barbie clothes over there.
It's
I bet-
for
yep.
this.
I bet the
It's for
same
this.
person who sent the Barbie clothes sent that. Yep. Here, don't open that up all the way yet.
I'm not, thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes. See, this is what closes it and opens it. See?
Yeah, that's cool.
I know. But it doesn't come with it.
I was just making sure there wasn't a note.
Oh, this can pop right off
Please,
the bed.
please don't open it.
I'm not. I'm just looking.
All right.
She's just so excited, Dad.
I know. Here, I'll put it down here.
I'll open that right away after the video.
Right away.
Shower can wait.
Yeah.
That one's heavy.
It's heavier than the first one.
No.
This one also says to Drifting Dreamers 5.
dd5.
dd5.
Correct again.
It's a box.
It's a box.
It's a box.
Send a note. Oh wow.
Toys.
Oh wow.
It's toys.
Hold on.
Toys.
I know. Ah, here we go. Sit down.
Look at me.
It says, enjoy your gift, pretty Serenity. I hope you like it like I do. I'm 60 years old, lady, and I still love Barbies. From Doris.
Oh.
Thank you. That makes me want to know. That makes me think it's something Barbie.
Yep.
Something to do with Barbie.
I definitely.
Barbie glam.
Barbie Glam Getaway House. Hey!
All this stuff is turning into house stuff.
Yep, it's all Barbie house stuff, huh?
Yeah. We got Barbie clothes, we got the closet, we got the house.
Guys, and
We got more Barbies in my bedroom.
y'all don't even know this, but before we moved here, we had to downsize a lot. And I would say maybe 6 months before maybe 4 months before we started downsizing, we had to get rid of one of Serenity's old Christmas presents. Remember your big Barbie house?
giant,
Your
yeah.
giant house? She had a giant doll house, guys. It was
Barbie
so
house.
huge. And we had to end up
Jacob
getting rid
plays.
of it.
Jacob plays with me.
Yep, we all played with it. All right, Serenity. Woo. Try it again.
Go with that.
Hold on.
I want to see it.
What?
Man, that's
Wow.
amazing. Here, let's
I
hold
wonder
it
if
up.
it comes with them. I want it to come with all of it. I want to open the box.
Comes with all this stuff.
It comes with them. I want to open it right now. So bad.
Hold on.
So bad.
Hold on.
What do you say?
Thank you. I want to open it so bad. Tomorrow when
Woo, this last one is heavy.
you're gonna be playing with me. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Aw,
Yes, you
Jacob, I don't
are.
want to play Barbie. This
Not anymore. You don't want to play with me anymore. Rude.
All right, this one's heavy. This one says Michaelandlyssa Smith. This one is also from our friends the Hardeseys.
Look, that's a wax box too. I saw something. I saw something. I saw something. I saw something now. No.
Hold on,
I'm
Serenity.
trying to help you.
I got it.
This one I know what it is.
You'll know in just a second.
I want to see what it's on.
They really secured this guy. Here, what's your face?
It must be very valuable. It must be very valuable.
Very valuable?
Yes, I finally said it.
Hold on, watch your fingers.
If we can even get to them. Dad, do you need kid strength?
No, I don't need the kid strength. And
another Barbie thing. Another Barbie backyard.
that's Beltina.
It's a pool.
The pool that comes with a Barbie, that comes with a beach ball.
That's so
that
cool.
comes
Oh, it's Beltina.
a Beltina. That's
Call it
cute.
Beltina.
I want to see a bathing suit. That's a cute bathing suit. I like that. Look, Dad, I just found a backyard thing.
Oh, guys. I just seen what was in here.
What
You
is it?
shouldn't have. We love y'all so much.
What is it? I see.
Kids and family.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
I want
It's a giant flamingo and a giant unicorn. Floaty, pool floaty.
That's cool.
Not one, but two.
Yay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
But there's more stuff in here. And the rest of this stuff is kind of for me. It's kind of for everybody because everybody will benefit from this. But thank you. Thank you so much.
What is that?
It's tools.
Yay.
Oh, this is for Talon.
Talon!
Talon!
You got tools! You got tools.
Miss, our friends, the Hardesty, sent you something. I don't think this is tools. This one ain't tools. I think this might be like a box of underwear.
It said tools.
All right, open it up.
It's for you, Talon.
It's a 148 piece tool set. Right here. Now look on the front. He's got it figured out, guys.
It's a mystery. It's a mystery.
There you go.
It's a
I don't even
mystery.
know if the camera can see him.
Nice.
It's all blue.
Daddy,
It's all
Daddy,
blue
Daddy,
tool
Daddy
kit.
will be
Here,
helping.
I'll fix it for you.
Daddy will be teaching. It has tape with it. Oh, it has tape with it.
Look at that, guys.
Look, Talon, it's your first tool set.
This is Talon's very first tool set.
Oh, you're growing up.
What are you going to use it for, Talon?
Probably his PlayStation. I use it for PlayStation.
No, guys, you don't use tools like this for the PlayStation, except for maybe these little small screwdrivers.
To check how good it is.
Thank you.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yep. Now, look up.
Thanks, guys.
And Jacob.
Jacob, you
got
got one too.
This is also Jacob's very first tool kit.
Probably gonna do blue again.
I think this one might be a different color.
This is.
It's red.
Yay.
Here.
Screws.
This is cool. This is so amazing. Thank you guys so much. Here.
I like
Hold
I
on.
haven't seen one of these before, so I'm going to open it up so I can see what it looks like.
This is cool, huh? You like it?
It's so pretty.
I seen this other one. There's one more in the box. I seen my name on it. That's why I thought the rest of it was for me.
Got a lot of Barbie stuff.
Oh yeah! Wow. Man, and this is it's a socket kit. It's a 50-piece 3/8 drive master impact socket set, guys. Check this out.
If I can get through.
That is nice.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you,
so much.
thank you.
We love you guys so much. This is absolutely amazing. What do you think, son? You ready to work on some stuff? Now
Now
whenever
we're ready.
whenever we work on something, oh, for the new shed that we're about to put together.
Heck
I bet
yeah.
we're gonna need tools for that. And now I don't have to go up and try to find tools at Uncle David's or something like that. And I'm gonna be getting myself some tools for my birthday coming up next month in September. Thank you guys so much.
Yes, thank you.
This is amazing. This is definitely wasn't expecting this. This was a big thing. Thank you. Well, guys, the good news is that we have a shed outside and we're getting ready to build a new shed.
I'm having all.
So there's going to be plenty of space to keep stuff in storage. We'll be able to take all the tools out of the camper and put them in the shed. We'll be able to put Serenity stuff and the other kids' stuff in the storage shed. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us on this mail call. You guys surely outdid yourselves this time. This was so thankful.
As always, we're so appreciative.
Serenity got some late birthday presents in, and I know you like that, huh?
Yeah, I like the Barbie.
Jacob, what you think about the floats? Which one you want? You want a flamingo?
I want both.
Bingo.
I want both.
We're gonna try them. We're gonna be trying them out soon, guys. We're gonna be going to the lake, and we'll give these things a shot. And what's up? Me and Serenity and I do have something that we call a daddy and daughter date coming up soon. So maybe, who knows, maybe we'll be able to go out to the lake and have a picnic by ourselves and do something fun like that.
Yeah, because a daddy and daughter day is where your dad and your daughter goes out for the whole day spending time with each other.
Good.
Other sons. There should be a son and dad day where a mom and daughter day.
Yeah, we'll work it out.
All we know is a daddy and daughter day.
We're gonna go ahead and let you guys go for now. We hope you enjoyed watching us open up the mail call. We sure did. It was an awesome thing. We are so appreciative. Thank you guys so much. One more time, I do want to reiterate that sending us gifts is definitely not something that you have to do. But for the ones who go out of their way and do think of us to do something extra, we really do appreciate it. Thank you.
Really,
Yeah.
I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Like it? Tell everybody you like it.
Thank you. I like it.
They can't see your face, son. The box.
Thank you. I like it.
Yeah.
We're just nervous to talk because he hasn't been on camera for a little while.
Well, we're gonna let you guys go. We're about to take showers and get ready for bed.
And use the bathroom.
Use the bathroom, brush our teeth, you know. Getting back into it, guys. Today's the last weekend for y'all for regular. Starting Monday, it's back to school bedtime.
Not this Monday.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
Monday.
This Monday.
Well, we're having a sleepover and not on the couch because this Monday
Yep,
is
but-
our daddy and daughter day.
Yep, but guess what? Bedtime is back to 9 o'clock.
Well, what if we don't get that?
We'll be back. We'll be back before dinner, sweetie. But good night, everybody. We're gonna catch you on the next one. Hope everybody has a wonderful night. And remember,
If you can dream it,
you
You
can
can
drift
drift
it.
it.
Bye.
What's that, Serenity?
a chandelier with a secret compartment.
Oh, that's cool.
Like she can hide all her valuables.
Nice.
Then let's check out the closet.
There's a Barbie in the closet.
That's her mannequin with her bathing suit.
Wow, I hope you keep your closet and your new bedroom cleaned up like this.
If I get a closet like this. And then from the front of it, and I'll put
That's a nice pool she's got.
Yeah, comes with a little beach ball. So, we're gonna give you a tour. This is the closet. It has a mannequin with her bathing suit. Molepo. We got her shoes, her
Accessories.
little accessories. We got this shower that actually, if you fold that, you can go like this and
Oh,
turn it into a mirror.
wow.
Close it, we're still here.
Yep. Ain't that cool?
That's cool.
And this can fold, like it can fold, right?
To make more room.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Watch this.
That will go
Watch
still.
this. It's a oven stuff,
I'm
right?
gonna pull that thing out.
Right?
An oven.
Put that there. It's an oven set, right?
So you
Now at the table.
Nifty.
And this thing is to keep this right here.
Nice.
Yep. And if you come in the backyard,
The backyard.
the front yard, there's a pool with another mannequin. There's a beach ball. Water comes from there and comes out the slide. We got
Nice.
this. It's on a mountain.
It's on a mountain.
And we got this little cart for the boy in there.
Nice.
So that is the whole tour. I hope you like it.
Well, thanks for the tour.
You're welcome.
Bye.